Morning class. Today I'm going to be reading you the book It's Raining, It's Pouring. That's the title or the name of the book. And it is written by Kin Eagle, and the illustrations or the pictures were drawn by Rob Gilbert. And I really like this book because this is a nursery rhyme that my parents would sing every time it rained when I was little. And I sing it for my kids. I really like how they extended the nursery rhyme. So usually the nursery rhyme is really short, but they added new verses and new ideas, which I really like. And the pictures are great. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. I hear some rhyming words. Listen, pouring, snoring. He bumped his head when he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's cloudy, it's breezy. The old man is sneezy. And I also want you to watch for rhyming words, but also the different kinds of weather in this book. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course, that wasn't easy. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch that every part of him was showing. So you can see that his buttons are about to burst. It's warm out and sunny. The old man loves honey. Oh dear, I'm wondering if there's going to be a problem here. There's actually lots of problems in this book, but I think this is going to be a big one. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't find it funny. Can you tell me what the rhyming word is for seize? Seize. Good. It's cool, damp, and chilly. The old man's name is Willie. And this thing is called a well, and that's where they used to get their water. There was a bucket attached to a rope, and they'd lower the bucket all the way down into the well, and they got water out of the ground and they'd pull it back up. He tripped and fell in a big old well. Oh my gosh, did he look silly. I hope he's going to be okay. Thankfully, there's water down in the bottom. It looks like he's okay. It's gusty, it's windy. The old man's wife is Cindy. And I can tell based on the pictures that it's windy. There's a sailboat, their hair's kind of blowing, their hamburger is kind of flying. They're flying kites. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. And the Lindy is a name for a dance that they used to do a long time ago. And they almost dance and wiggle like they do have ants in their pants. So if you're wondering what that looks like, you can always have your parents get online and Google the Lindy and they can see it. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. So look, he's happy now because he's tired and he didn't bump his head this time. So he's happy. And that is the end. Okay, be sure to watch for rhyming words. If your parents have other nursery rhymes that they tell you at night, like maybe the Itsy Bitsy Spider or other ones like that, you can listen for rhyming words. This book was full of them. So if you want, you can go back through and listen for more rhyming words and see if you can fill in the blanks. Like if I said breezin', you might say sneezin'. Or if I said snoring, you might say pouring. Okay, good luck with those rhyming words.